intimidating, exclusive, maybe even stuck up. That's how people used to describe golf. And if we're being honest, wealth management too. Hi, I'm Orlando Lopez, an investment advisor and financial planner at RBC Dominion Securities. Now, I've seen both the world of golf and wealth management start to shift in pretty meaningful ways. Golf is more inviting now. It's about enjoying the game, not just winning it. Wealth management, same thing. It's not just for the ultra-rich anymore. It's for anyone who wants to be more intentional about their future. Whether you've never stepped on a course or haven't looked at your financial plan in years, there's space for you. So if it's been a while since you reviewed your financial plan, please reach out. Let's make sure your plan reflects the future you want and hopefully provides you with freedom to spend more time on the course.